Sitting in poor posture every day can place unnecessary stress on your spine, muscles, and joints. A few simple changes in a way you sit can reduce discomfort, improve efficiency, and help protect your body in the long run.
Before we talk about sitting posture, let's first understand a simple concept: gravity. Gravity is a force that constantly pulls our body towards the earth. Every second of every day, our muscles, bones, joints, and spine work against gravity to keep us upright and balanced. When our posture is good, this force is distributed efficiently throughout the body. However, when we maintain poor posture for long periods, gravity can place uneven stress on certain structures, leading to muscle fatigue, joint strain, and increased pressure on the spine. This can worsen symptoms in people with conditions such as kyphosis, scoliosis, extensive lordosis, cervical or lumbar spondylosis, osteoarthritis. It can also increase discomfort in individuals who already have conditions such as spondylolisthesis, spondylolysis. What is the correct sitting posture? When viewed from the front or back, the spine should appear relatively straight with the head centered over the body. When viewed from the side, an adult spine naturally has three curves: cervical curve, thoracic curve, and lumbar curve. These natural curves help absorb shock and distribute forces efficiently. Good posture also depends on adequate muscle strength and endurance, which helps support the body and maintain proper alignment. Common sitting posture mistakes: looking down for long periods. Excessive neck flexion increases stress on the cervical spine and supporting muscles. Unsupported arms. Allowing the arm to hang without support can increase strain on the shoulders and upper back muscles. Slouching or hunching forward. This increases stress on the lower back, spinal discs, and supporting ligaments. Uneven weight distribution. Leaning to one side or crossing into an asymmetrical position for long periods can create muscle imbalances and uneven loading of the spine. Good sitting posture. Keep your head upright and position your screen at eye level so you can look straight ahead. Maintain the natural curves of your spine when you sit. Rest your elbows on the desk or chair, armrest when possible. Sit with your back supported. Keep both feet flat on the floor or on a footrest. Distribute your body weight evenly on both hips. Quick tips: slightly recline your chair to reduce pressure on the lower back. Avoid sitting continuously for more than 30 minutes. Stand up, stretch, or walk for a minute or two. Improve your muscle strength and endurance through regular exercises. Maintain adequate nutrition to support bones, joints, and muscles, including protein, calcium, vitamin D, magnesium, and vitamin C.
The best posture is the one that keeps you comfortable, supported, and moving regularly. This is Karthik Selva signing off. Thank you.